Today we will make such a cute little flower ring. So what we need for this project is some yarn. I will do it with this one. It's max yarn. Here's the number of the color if you're interested, and it's 565 meters per 100 grams. So then we will need obviously some scissors, crochet hook. I'm doing it at 1.4 millimeters, and sorry about that, and the needle. And what we need is a base for our ring. Okay, let's start. For start, we have to make 40 chains. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. We made 40 chains, and now we do plus 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the 5th chain, we make a double crochet. A double crochet in the next, and in the next. So basically we do a double crochet in each stitch, in each chain that we made. So 38, 39, and 40. Okay, and now the chain 1 and turn our work around. And in the next stitch we do have the 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 5. In the next stitch we do a single crochet. 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So basically this is our pattern at the end of the row. We do in the next stitch, single crochet, 5 double crochets, single crochet, 5 double crochets, single crochet, 5 double crochets, and we do this to the end of the row. Okay, and the rest do single crochet, and in the 3rd chain from the previous round do 5 double crochets, 4 and 5. Do chain 1, leave about 15 centimeters long tail, cut the yarn, and you can fasten off. Okay, you see it's a curved, it's okay. So at this longer piece we need to thread the yarn. And we roll our flower together. You see, the last row, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. We are looking at the last row. So here we just start to twisting it together like this. So this, and you are looking so that these petals came like this in the middle. See, here's one petal, second, so it's this one and this one. This is in the middle, and you just twist it around, like this. So you don't have to twist it so tight. Let it be a little bit loose, so it will be more flatter like that. Yeah, just twist it. Play around a little bit. A few times you make it, it will be easier. So here it is. Now this is the other part, and we sew it together like this. Go through a few times, so it will stay nice. Again, don't tie it. Don't pull the thread that you're sewing in tight, because it will ruin the flower. It will be all crumbled in the middle, and it pulls down everything, and it's not so flat and beautiful anymore. So, as you can see, here is a few more. I need a few stitches there. So it's no instructions for this. Is just a feeling how it would be. See here through. You can make it however you like, as long as you are satisfied with it. So it's no problem. Yes. And what I like to do is go here, and then I go through my flower in the middle, and this first petal I try to pull it a little bit down. So I go through, up, and back down. Next stitch, see, you can see this stitch. I'll go here down and back to the middle, and pull it down, and now pull it like so it forms a rose. See, it smells nice and more beautiful. Then I just tie 2 knots, so it's secured. Don't worry, it's hidden in my case, and so do it. Just pull it through. Okay, you can cut but this one, and this one. Yes. Okay. So, and our flower is done. What I like to do, so first what I like to do is sand a little bit this surface, because from experience in the past it holds then great, and these curves in the base helps a lot. So I have this rotary tool, and I just sand the surface, so it holds better. And that's it. I do it because here is, as you see, it's a very smooth surface, and the glue holds a lot better if I do so. And now I have to clean it. Some alcohol, and I use a tissue. It's not nail polish, it's alcohol in there. It's a great container, and I took it from my girlfriend. Yes. So here it is. Just clean it. Like that. Okay. Now this one I will do it with a hot glue gun. And first what I do is fill in these curves. But be careful not to burn fingers. It's a hot glue gun, so it's a hot. Okay, not too little, not too much. If you put in too much glue, it will come out later. Here, let's squeeze a little bit of flour and put it in the center like this, and just squeeze it. So, as you can see, it's a really pretty ring. So if you like this video, please subscribe so you don't miss anything.